In the world of business, profitability is not just a goal, it's the lifeblood that sustains our dreams, our ambitions, and our very existence. We all want to know how to make our businesses more profitable, but the question is, where do we start? What are the best areas to investigate when it comes to optimization? Today, we're diving deep into the manufacturing process, a crucial component that can either be a goldmine of profit or a pit of loss. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of manufacturing profitability, buckle up because we're about to explore the best areas to investigate for optimization. Let's kick things off with a fundamental question. What is profitability optimization? At its core, profitability optimization is about improving a company's bottom line. It involves making small, strategic changes to operations and methodologies that can lead to increased profits. Picture this: every aspect of your business, from marketing campaigns to employee productivity, has the potential to be scrutinized and optimized. But here's the catch: profitability optimization isn't about slashing costs or cutting corners. No, it's about enhancing efficiency and effectiveness, generating more revenue without sacrificing quality or customer satisfaction. With technology and data analytics at our fingertips, we can pinpoint those critical areas that need improvement. Now, let's break down the factors that are essential for optimizing manufacturing operations. There are 5 primary elements we need to consider: cost, quality, productivity, safety, and sustainability. Each of these factors plays a significant role in maximizing the efficiency of complex manufacturing operations. First up is cost. Cost is the number one factor when it comes to optimizing manufacturing operations. It encompasses the resources required to produce goods or services. Managers need to keep a close eye on both direct and indirect costs. Direct costs are those that can be traced back to specific products, while indirect costs, like utilities and rent, still impact the overall manufacturing cost. When evaluating costs, it's vital to consider both the short-term and long-term implications of any decisions made. Next, we have quality. In manufacturing, quality refers to how well a product meets its specifications. But quality goes beyond just meeting those specifications. It's about ensuring that products meet customer expectations. One way to optimize quality is by minimizing waste. This can be achieved by improving production efficiency and reducing scrap rates. Another approach is to enhance communication and coordination among departments. When everyone is on the same page, problems can be identified and resolved quickly, leading to a smoother production process. Now, let's talk about productivity. Productivity is a measure of how efficiently resources are used to produce desired outputs. In manufacturing, this often translates to output per worker per hour. But it's also about maximizing production per unit of input, whether that's materials or energy. Improving productivity is essential for ensuring that manufacturing operations run smoothly. Streamlining processes, investing in new technologies, and enhancing worker training can all lead to significant productivity gains. Even minor improvements can have a substantial impact on the bottom line. Safety is another critical factor. A safe working environment protects employees and helps avoid production disruptions. By prioritizing safety, companies can create a more efficient and productive workplace. Developing comprehensive safety protocols and providing ongoing training for employees are key steps in this process. A culture of safety not only protects your workforce, but also enhances overall operational efficiency. Finally, we have sustainability. As the manufacturing landscape evolves, sustainability has become a major consideration. Companies are under increasing pressure to operate responsibly, and this includes minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. By optimizing manufacturing processes with sustainability in mind, businesses can not only improve their bottom line, but also contribute positively to the planet. Now that we've covered the fundamental factors, let's dive into the top 3 areas to investigate for manufacturing optimization: quality control, production planning, and inventory management. Quality control is paramount. It's the process that ensures products meet the required standards. Investing in quality control can dramatically improve manufacturing efficiency and reduce waste. One of the biggest benefits of quality control is its ability to identify problems early in the production process, allowing companies to make corrections before products are shipped out. This proactive approach saves time and money, not to mention it enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring that products meet expectations. Next, we have production planning. This area directly impacts cost, quality, and delivery. Effective production planning can lead to reduced lead times, increased flexibility, and improved quality. By optimizing production planning, manufacturers can respond quickly to changes in customer demand or market conditions. A well-planned production process is typically more efficient and produces higher quality products, which in turn leads to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. Finally, let's discuss inventory management. This is often referred to as the 4th P of marketing, alongside product, price, and promotion. Effective inventory management can lead to significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. The key here is accurate demand forecasting. By knowing how much inventory is needed and when to produce it, companies can avoid stockouts and reduce excess inventory, which ties up capital that could be used elsewhere. So, how can focusing on these areas increase your profitability? By honing in on quality control, production planning, and inventory management, you ensure that your products are of the highest quality and that you have enough inventory to meet customer demand. This approach helps you avoid lost sales and keeps your customers happy. On the flip side, ignoring these areas can cost you dearly. If quality control is overlooked, you risk producing inferior products that don't meet customer expectations, leading to returns and lost sales. Without proper production planning, you may face delays that impact your ability to fulfill orders. And poor inventory management can lead to stockouts, costing you sales, or excessive inventory, which ties up valuable capital. Now, let's look at 5 actionable ways to optimize your manufacturing business for maximum profitability. First, evaluate your production process. Take a close look at how things are currently being done and identify areas for improvement. Streamlining processes and reducing waste can have a significant positive impact on your bottom line. Second, review your inventory levels. Adjust them to meet customer demand without tying up too much capital. Regularly analyzing sales data and maintaining leaner inventories can help you achieve this balance. Third, implement lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing focuses on streamlining production and eliminating waste. By identifying value-added steps in your production process and eliminating non-value-added efforts, you can enhance efficiency and profitability. Fourth, analyze your pricing strategy. Make sure you're charging enough to cover your costs and generate a healthy profit margin. Consider all factors, including perceived value, to ensure your pricing is competitive yet profitable. Lastly, constantly monitor your business performance indicators. Keep an eye on sales figures, customer satisfaction, and operational costs. By tracking these metrics, you can identify lagging areas and take action to improve results. In conclusion, investigating areas of manufacturing profitability for optimization is essential for the long-term success of any business. By understanding where money is being lost in the manufacturing process, companies can make the necessary changes to improve their bottom line. Focusing on quality control, production planning, and inventory management can lead to significant gains in profitability. With time, effort, and a commitment to continuous improvement, any business can enhance its financial health and thrive in today's competitive marketplace. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work on optimizing our manufacturing processes for a brighter, more profitable future.